New and newsworthy in social media this week. There's 4 big features with Instagram that I think you will be able to use for your business. Make sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel and click the little bell because there's changes rolling in almost every day these days, and I will make videos to go over them one by one. But here's an overview. So Instagram Reels, for editing Reels, there's a really great new feature that allows you to see on little lines like a real video editing tool what is happening with audio, with caption, and with your different video clips. This is super great if you were trying to add text to your Instagram Reels and you were just finding it really finicky or you didn't know how. It's really straightforward with the new editing tools in Reels. So check it out and I will do a video just on that. Number 2, analytics. So you have access to a bunch new analytics on your videos. If you have an Instagram business account, have a look at that because we teach in strategy and it's so true. You should check once a month, go back to the content you created and see what resonated with your audience, where you get the most engagement, and try to recreate some of that content or use a similar format because you know this worked well. So you can learn a lot from your analytics. The third trippy cool new thing with Instagram is the gifts. So you can send gifts to creators. From what I've understood and from what I've tested, I've seen it come up to one creator in the US that I follow, and I saw at the bottom it said send gift, and you follow the steps. You can send little kind of emojis with stars, and the stars are linked to an amount, dollar amount. So you choose the dollar amount. You can send like 99 cents or more, whatever amount you want. And then they link it to your credit card and the creator will receive the gift and they can cash in the money. If you are a creator and you're wondering how you can have that, it is just rolling in and it is something that you will see appear in your professional dashboard, an option to turn that on. Speaking on the professional dashboard, and what on earth is that? Lots of people have it but never click on it. So if you have an Instagram business account and you look under your bio, you will see professional dashboard. So click on that and you will see different options. And one thing that is really cool right now with that is, oh yeah, the trending tool is hiding there. So what's trending on Instagram? That's a question a lot of my students ask in coaching, and they want to know like what's the cool music or what are the cool video format. And unless you're like super on Instagram all the time or you're really on TikTok and you're in the know, it's sometimes hard to find what's good, what's not, what's working, and we're busy running our business. So this is really great because it gives you ideas of music and you can save the audio to use it on your own creations. And you can also use some of the templates of a video format that's trending. You can replace the different images or videos with your own, but use the same template that is trending. I'll do a video on this as well. But what that makes is that when there's a trend, your content is most likely to be shown to more people because it's gonna kind of go on that wave. That's it for now. I will create 4 videos to go over those 4 changes so you know exactly how to find them and apply them. Make sure to subscribe to my channel and ring the bell so you don't miss anything. Take good care. Bye.